Right, my head came in, and also have my new headlights. I just put them in, and I got my new battery. My new headlights, because the other one's, on the seat. But I had to take out that screw that's inside there.
The screw is off.
So, yeah, this is being done today. No, don't. There. I gotta remove all that just to get down there. All of that. Stop pushing on that light. Hey, dude, no. Get coins away from there. The last thing I gotta do is transmission. But I'm gonna start this when my baby is taking a nap, and then when she's up, she'll be out here. That's what my game plan is today. Start it, get it done. I'll catch y'all on with the next video when I upload.